Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all of the Brat items as well as the winter items as well. So you can either find it here, you can open it and you'll see the stuff here, or you can also open this one here. But if you don't have the time, they did put it back in the dressing rooms for us to use, thankfully, because going back and forth in this map is going to take a long time. Just select this icon and you'll see all of the winter items here as well as the Brat items here too. And that is it. Super simple. That is where you can find all the Brat and winter items on Dress to Impress. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.